Alright, so number 39 is saying evaluate the definite integral, use a graphing calculator. So you don't need this, you won't need it on the CFA. Whoever signs a little weak on that. But what we're going to do is we're going to do this by hand, develop our fractions and our speed with our fractions, okay? So if you wanted to rewrite it as two separate pieces, you're more than welcome to. So left to right, either low to high, which is -6 to 3. And we're going to subtract the other integral, which is -6 to -3, 9u to the -2. Notice how I did the rewrite. You tell me, why did I bring u upstairs with 9? Because it's in the denominator, and 9 as a numerator is what? A constant. One term, that's a constant. It's easiest. That's your best technique that I can offer you as far as to reduce the amount of error that you could have. Now, this is constant multiple rolled out, so you could put this 9 here. So now we're going to do reverse power roll. U becomes what? U squared over 2. And u to the -2 becomes u to the negative what? 1 over -1. And remember, this sign is still going to be the subtraction going on right here. This is your antiderivative bounded between -6 and -3, that we're now just going to plug in this -3 here and then subtract whatever it would be if I plugged in the 6. To me, in my experience, I think it's easier for you to rewrite this as without having the negative mistakes occur. So you could look at negative here and subtracting. That shows that it's really going to be adding this 1 over u. Remember, u to the -1 can also be written as 1 over u. Okay? And then, to me, the experience that other students show year to year to year, this probably would be your best way to quickly use your fractions and get them taken care of. Did I make a mistake? Oh, the 9, I never multiplied that back in. Nice catch. Nice catch. So this 9 is going to go right here, because it's just like multiplying 9 back in. Nicely done. We good? So constant multiple roll, you're seeing, and even with me, if I go too fast, the mistakes can occur, and where they're occurring is a good red flag for you just to be careful and mindful to watch for, okay? Alright, so let's plug in -3. -3 squared is a +3 over 2, plus 9 divided by -3 is a -3. So this is plugging in that one, and we're going to subtract plugging in -6. So -6 squared is a positive. Be careful with those. If you in doubt, put them in parentheses when you're plugging them in. 36 divided by 2 is 18, and then 9 divided by 6 is reduced to 3/2. So this is -3/2. Now, what I show my students to do, and you could do whatever it is that you want, is even from here, not to do pieces and pieces, just do everything to the same denominator. Sometimes does help. So this is going to be a form of 1, which is 2 over 2. So that's 6 over 2. And this is going to be 36 over 2. So that I have 3 minus 6 minus 36. Be careful with this distribution. Depending upon your strengths, you're really adding 3. And it's all over 2. Did I make a mistake?
Yeah. So it's u squared over 2, and then you didn't square it. You didn't square the 3.
Where at?
So the very first number.
So it should be 9?
Yeah.
Okay. So nice catch. Just please catch them a little earlier. And I'm only making a lot of mistakes, guys, because I'm going super fast trying to get these videos on. My apologies, but you're still learning from them as far as where mistakes can occur. So 9 is going to be here. So it's 9 minus 6 minus 36 plus 3. Everything good? Alright. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Plus or minus 36 is what? -33, right? And then plus 3 should give you -30 that you divide by 2 and you get -50. Are we good? Nice catch is really on those. Okay? Alright.